Are you looking for information about ignition coils? We explain it all here. Ignition coils are transformers that step up the voltage from the car's 12-volt battery to thousands of volts. This is necessary to jump the gap between the spark plug electrodes to create a spark and ignite the air-fuel mixture. So how does an ignition coil work? Modern engines have one ignition coil per cylinder. A powertrain control module tells each coil when to fire its spark plug. Here's how the process works. Turning the key to the ignition position when starting the car energizes the ignition system, including the coils. The ignition coil transforms the battery's low voltage into a high voltage current. The powertrain control module tells each coil and plug when to fire. The spark plug then ignites the air-fuel mixture, which produces enough combustion to power the engine. Car batteries only produce 12 volts. This isn't enough for the spark plugs to make a spark. Ignition coils step up the voltage anywhere from 12,000 volts to 45,000 volts to allow the spark plugs to work properly. A failing ignition coil will cause a loss of power, backfiring, stalling, and eventual engine damage. Subaru Parts Plus has been supplying quality OEM Subaru parts since 2005. Do you need replacement ignition coils? Click on the link below for more information.